Hi, in this lesson you will learn how to use the invoice system. From the dashboard, click the invoice button. Here you can add new invoices, edit the invoices that you may have already created, and do many things. Let's cover the most important ones. First, you need to create or import your customers into the billers and customers. So by clicking here, you're going to add probably yourself as the biller. Okay, so I have myself here, and you can enter your customers either by hand, meaning one by one, or import from contacts. How do you do that? It's extremely simple. If you go to LMR support videos and type automatic, you're gonna see how to import, sorry, my bad, import, and you type importing, you're gonna see how to import a list of contacts into your marketing campaigns and invoices. So you can see this video that will explain how to import, but it's extremely simple and you can do it in seconds, and then have all your customers or part of them, probably the ones that are active, and import it into your customers. So that would be that. For the same token, you can manage your products in the products section, so you can have unlimited products. And in this particular case, well, we have only one, and we can put some notes for this product, and we can put the description, the amount, etc. So that's really easy. Also, in the billers and customers, it's important to I'm going to edit this. If you put here your PayPal business email, when an invoice is created and sent, the client will receive that as a PDF, and depending on the version of the PDF that they have, but usually it will have the button for PayPal that they can click and go and have a kind of a mini invoice already in PayPal, where they can pay using PayPal or a credit card. So of course that depends on the type of business that you have. They might not be appropriate to use PayPal, in which case you should leave it empty. And you can put, obviously, here in the invoice footer and in the notes, you can put whatever you want. This is a suggestion only. Then again, you can click new invoice, for example, select a customer. You can do an incremental search. For example, I can click T and go to Thomas Brown. And the date, well, we can put the date. Quantity, let's say one. Item, in this case we only have one, right? And this will be the unit price. You can put some notes, particular, and also you can show details here if you want a different description for each one, right? High details. Also you can select an estimate, invoice, quote, or receipt. Usually it's going to be an invoice, and that's it pretty much. Click save, and this is what is the quick view, and you can print a preview if you want, and you see this is what I was mentioning before. When your client receives, they will have a PayPal link that they can click, and so you see, click on the PayPal button. You don't need a PayPal account. This is because we added that to the footer. Okay, and this one is part of the notes. so the notes of the invoice, and this is a part of the footer, so you can add that, and this will be the button that they will click. If you don't have in the billers the information, okay, the information of your PayPal email, then it won't show. And then you have here the invoice, and you can email it. You can enter process. You can process a payment. In this case, essentially saying part of it or total has been paid. You can convert it into a PDF. You can print it, and you can edit. And you have here, how old is the invoice, and that's pretty much. The rest you can handle yourself. Is really easy. So thank you.